Everyone, Vintage Fan Collector here with another ceiling fan video at Habitat. Today we installed this 90's Quorum Builder fan of some sort. So I'll get the light since we have a ladder, but we won't use it. It's actually moves there. It's a little high, but you know what, who cares? It works where it is. So there used to be a fan here previously. Now we put another one. It's got the original Q pull chain. Had fun finding a elongated pull chain for this. Are you gonna film this or no?
Later.
Man, this moves air from here. I can already feel it actually.
Quentin describes this as the best thing that's happened all day.
Yeah. Air. You feel that? Yeah. Not bad for a builder. Yeah. This is high speed.
Let me see how relaxing it felt.
One here would be epic, but you know what?
I can feel it from here.
We won't push that for now.
So, I can feel it from here.
That's amazing.
That is impressive.
You want to do an update video on the whole store?
Yep.
Alrighty, well, that concludes this video, so I hope you